Our first question tonight, though, focuses on investing in that digital revolution. Hello to John in Massachusetts.
Hi, thanks for having me on. So calling about some of the mega cap technology stocks that you just mentioned. I think for a number of weeks it had concerned that valuations were getting a little bit high in some of these names, that they're getting overbought. And then you had earnings last night. And while they certainly put up impressive numbers, both on the top and bottom line, I'm starting to feel like it's possible that maybe some of these names like Facebook, Apple, and Amazon are really just fully priced in here. And especially with talk of a rotation out of tech, which I think is a trend that some people feel like might be just starting to gain steam and only pick up in the coming few months. So I'm wondering if it might be time to trim or possibly sell some of these names and book gains. And, if so, what could be a next leg of growth? Where might there be productive other stocks to put some of that capital? Thanks.
Yeah, look, it's a great question. I think one of the things that we've been hearing for years is that these stocks were fully priced, and multiple expansion is not a recent phenomenon. This is something that we've seen in NASDAQ stocks for at least the last 7 or 8 years. I think what's tricky about this discussion is every time we have that conversation leading into these companies reporting earnings, they find a way to exceed. Amazon's net income was up 98% this year. So I just think that what we want to make clear here is, of course, there will be a point where there's nothing these companies can do to impress the street. But it does not seem that we've gotten there yet. I would also say there's a huge disparity in multiples between Alphabet and Amazon. They are not trading anywhere near the same valuation. So investors do seem to still be drawing a distinction. I don't think we're in the phase where everyone just pays anything for any stock. And let's keep in mind, these companies would not be earning these multiples if they hadn't continued to come out and beat expectations. They're also very rare. There aren't many companies that have 20% profit margins and can grow at greater than 20%.